You wouldn't judge a tree by its bark, right? Well, that's kind of how scientists at a university in Switzerland feel about solar panels. They're pretty and practical, but they're just not very aesthetically pleasing. But what if there was a way to make a window look like, well, a window, but also generate electricity from it? No, this isn't some new age hippie idea. It's science. And it starts with a coating. The team's innovation is a new type of clear coating that can be applied to ordinary glass, turning it into an efficient solar cell. The coating itself is made of tiny semiconductor particles suspended in a transparent polymer. When those particles are exposed to UV light, they absorb the energy and convert it into electricity. And because they're suspended in a polymer, they don't have to be in a specific orientation, meaning they can be applied to things like windows or even curved surfaces. In their paper published this week in the journal Advanced Materials, the researchers detail how they created several different coatings with varying degrees of transparency, ranging from 80% to nearly 95%. To make the most efficient solar cell, you need a high index of refraction so that the light gets trapped inside the material and has a higher probability of being absorbed. So the researchers tweaked the chemical composition of the coating to increase the index of refraction. They also added a super thin layer of silver to reflect the light that passes through the coating and gets trapped between two layers of glass. This boosted the efficiency to around 17%. And while that might sound low compared to today's typical solar panels, which have an efficiency of around 20%, remember that those are optimized for absorbing sunlight over a wide range of angles, not just straight on. Plus, this technology can be applied to all kinds of surfaces, not just flat ones. The researchers say that their window-based solar cells could provide enough power for small electronics like an e-reader or even a laptop. Plus, they could be used on the side or back of a building where they would be less visible. While the technology is still in the prototype stage, the researchers hope that their work will inspire others to think about the possibilities of transparent solar cells. After all, one day they could be looking out a window and generating power at the same time. I think that song has already been written. Maybe it was the Partridge Family. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit like and let us know in the comments. What do you think? Could you see yourself with one of these solar window things? I think it would be cool. It's kind of like, you know, when you put a screen on your door and you open it up and you're like, oh, the breeze is nice. But then you close it and you're like, now I'm hot. I wish there was a way to have the benefits of both.